Hello everyone. Today we're diving into a comparison between Scalenut and Copy.ai, two powerful AI-driven content generation tools. First things first, click the link in the description box to access both platforms. So let's jump right in. Let's start by looking at Scalenut. Scalenut offers a comprehensive suite of tools designed to streamline your content creation process. It boasts features like an SEO assistant, AI copywriter, and a managed marketplace for hiring top talent. This makes it a versatile solution for various content needs. One of Scalenut's key strengths is its support for both long-form and short-form content generation. This means you can tackle various content needs, from comprehensive articles to concise social media posts. Additionally, Scalenut provides insights into NLP term analysis and competition analysis directly integrated into the content creation workflow. In terms of pricing, Scalenut's pricing varies based on usage and features, including options for individual users and businesses. On the other hand, Copy.ai also offers an intuitive interface with a variety of content generation options. It provides a large database of pre-existing templates and prompts, making it easy to generate content quickly. Copy.ai emphasizes efficiency and speed, with a focus on generating content rapidly. The platform offers features like A/B testing and analytics to optimize content performance. In terms of pricing, Copy.ai offers subscription plans with higher starting prices compared to Scalenut. While it may have a higher entry cost, Copy.ai provides more features and advanced functionality for users who require extensive content generation capabilities. In summary, both Scalenut and Copy.ai offer powerful AI-driven content generation tools with unique features and pricing structures. Users should consider their specific needs and budget when choosing between the two platforms. That's all for now. You can choose between the two by clicking the link in the description below. Thank you for watching.